Hello, everyone. This is Miss Silly. I just wanted to give you a quick tip to begin the new year on a positive note. So the most important thing you need to do, whether you are a parent or a student, is to find a place in your home that's designated as your learning area. So that's where you will be doing your work. Just like how when you walk into a classroom, it's time to learn and to do your work. It's the same idea. So for me, I have an actual office that I can come in, close the door, and do my work. So I have like my computer ready. I have my microphone to do videos for my students, and then the lighting, so they can see me better. On my desk, this is not a lot of clutter. It's just basically a notebook, pens, and supplies. And then, of course, Bob Ross to keep me going. So that's my desk. And then in this corner of my office, I have books. So wherever you decide to work, have something where you go to in that area just to relax. So I have books right here, so I can just take a break. And then over here, I have my little water fountain just to set the mood, just relax you. And then on this side of my office, I have the wall mural to inspire me. So every time I look at this mural, it like really uplifts my mood. So make sure you have something nice to look at, something nice to be around, right? A good environment. Over here, I have more books as well as my printer and then my files. So as you can see, I pretty much have everything I need in order to, stay focused and not be distracted. If you don't have an office, then, some of you may have to use your bedroom, but it'd be great. You can like actually find a little small desk somewhere you can put in your bedroom. I know some of you may have to share rooms with your siblings, so that might be a little bit more challenging. Maybe you can find another space in your house, like the den, the living room, or the kitchen table. Even though some people say don't work at the kitchen table because there's too many activities going on. But whatever space you want to use, make sure you have everything ready to learn. So the environment sets the mood, guys. So that's a quick tip on what you can do to start the year.